Okay. Miss Dane mistake the tie. First day at the coffee shop. You can do this, Liam.
Good morning, Liam. Nervous on your first day?
A little bit, Chloe. The shop is so busy.
Don't worry. Just smile and say, "Welcome to our shop. How can I help you today?" Hi there. What a beautiful morning.
Welcome to our shop. How can I help you today, ma'am?
Oh, thank you. I would like a hot latte, please. A hot latte.
Got it.
Great job, Liam. You see, first step is always the hardest.
Morning, everyone. Fresh coffee beans are here.
Liam, this is Ben, our supplier. Go ahead, introduce yourself.
Hello, Mr. Ben. I'm Liam, the new apprentice here. Nice to meet you.
Welcome aboard, Liam. Great to meet you too, buddy.
These are premium Arabica beans, Chloe.
Excellent. Liam, can you check the batch code?
Batch code is AA09. Everything looks perfect.
All right, Liam, the morning rush hour is starting.
I am ready, Chloe. Let's do this. Next, please. Welcome. What can I get for you?
2 Americanos ready. Keep going, Liam.
Hi. I am in a big hurry. Can I get a large iced latte with oat milk?
Large hot latte with... Wait, did he say oat milk? Yes, got it.
1 large HOT latte with oat milk for Mr. David.
Hot oat latte. Okay. Let's make it quick for David.
Here is your large hot oat latte, sir. Enjoy your day. Wait, hot? I ordered an ICED latte. I'm leaving in 2 minutes. Oh no! Did you say iced?
No time. I must go. Keep the change. Wait. Sir, I am so sorry.
Excuse me, young man. Some of us have a bus to catch.
Yes. Oh, sorry. 1 espresso. Wait, no, a croissant. Oh dear.
Hang in there, Liam. Just take 1 order at a time.
Okay, phone order. Sugar, ice... oh, what did she want again? Whoops! Oh, no, no, no! Watch out below!
Liam, what happened? Are you all right?
I lost control, Chloe.
Deep breath, Liam. Wipe the counter and take this tray.
Yes, Chloe. Cleaning it now. 1 tray ready.
Deliver this hot coffee to table 4. Carefully, okay?
Don't worry, Chloe. I have it all under control. Ah, what a wonderful scent of roasted coffee beans. Let's see. Table 1, table 2. Where is table 4? Whoa! Watch out! Oh, my goodness. My tailored suit, it's completely soaked in coffee. Oh no, I am so incredibly sorry, sir.
What do I do now? I've ruined everything. It's okay, Liam. Stay calm. Mistakes happen, but now we fix it. Step 1. Always look at the customer, bow slightly, and say, "I am terribly sorry." Step 2. Acknowledge the problem. Say, "It was entirely my mistake." Step 3. Offer a solution immediately. Say, Let me replace this drink for free.
Apologize, acknowledge, and offer a solution. Got it.
Perfect. Now let's go help Mr. Brown together.
I am ready to make this right, sir.
Hello, sir. We are here to help you with this accident.
I am terribly sorry for my carelessness, sir. It was entirely my mistake, and I take full responsibility. Please let me replace your drink for free and offer you a complimentary pastry.
And we will gladly cover the dry cleaning cost for your suit, sir.
Well, that is very professional of you both. I appreciate it. I accept your solution. Let's try that hot coffee again, Liam.
Right away, sir. One perfect hot coffee coming up.
Let's do it right this time, partner.
Mr. Brown was so kind at the end.
He was, Liam. You handled it beautifully. Remember, Liam, customers don't expect perfection. They expect honesty.
I see. When I owned my mistake, the tension completely vanished.
Exactly. And by offering a free solution, you turn a crisis into a loyal friend. Now, imagine I am a super angry customer. Go!
Challenge accepted, boss. Welcome back, ma'am. I am deeply sorry for the wait. Let me fix this.
10 out of 10. You are officially an introduction master now, Liam.
Watch this. One perfect latte, hot and fresh, just for our guest. Good afternoon. Here is your fresh latte. Have a great day. So, remember, greet kindly, introduce clearly, and handle mistakes honestly.
You did it, Liam. You are a true professional now.
Thanks to you, Chloe. Teamwork makes the dream work. See you next time. Keep learning. Steady steps. Here we go, the perfect hot coffee.
Looking great, Liam. Keep that focus.
Here is your fresh hot coffee, sir. And this pastry is on the house.
Let's see how this hot brew tastes.
Wow. This is absolutely delicious. Perfect temperature and rich flavor.
Yes, he loves it, Chloe. We did it!
Outstanding job, Liam. Your first big win.
You just gained a loyal customer, Liam. See you tomorrow.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a wonderful day. Wow. What a crazy first day, but I actually did it.
10 out of 10, Liam. You are officially an introduction master.
Thanks to your great advice, Chloe. So remember, greet kindly, introduce clearly, and always offer a free solution.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
We are ready for anything now. See you next time. Keep learning.
Learning.